Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader. You can find at the blog fibstalker.com. Good evening. Today is Friday, November the 15th, 2013, and this is a brief review on the euro dollar, the dollar index, the S&P 500 mini, and gold. Let's start from the euro dollar. What you see on the screen is the weekly chart. Those who follow me know that I've been looking at this measure move, and we have got participation at the 128.80 area three times during this year, starting in April. Last time was in June, and this measure move has a target at 141. That has been the level I've been watching in the last few months. And recently, November the 7th, I gave to the followers in the Dale Pinkert's LAR. I gave this level, the 120, 132.98, 133, and I told subscriber that if we stay above this 131.65, then we are going to continue higher. And you can see here how the two targets of these two different measure moves, the one at 128 and the one at 133, the first target line up at 141. So there is still a good option, a good possibility that we get there. Moving on the daily chart, we can see we had the bounce here at the 133, and now the bears on the daily will be waiting for price to get into 135.60 area, and if they will be able to keep price below the 136.26, 136.30, then the bear case is still on, and there is the possibility to break then this 131.65 level I told you before. If that happens, we should see the euro at 128.80 level again. We don't know what is going to happen 135. Don't make assumptions. You can use the Fibonacci stalking technique in order to reduce risk and trade shorts here, if you will, but the larger time frame is still on a long, so be very careful. Moving quickly to the dollar index, we know the dollar index is within this large measure move shorts, which can trace from 2010 highs to 2011 lows, and we see that here on this index there was participation on the short side twice in 2012 and again twice in 2013 at that 84.80 level. So we know that this large level here has targets well below this 76 area. So at the moment we are not excluding the fact that the dollar could just continue lower, and the 20-day moving average on the weekly chart is showing actually resistance here. Moving to the S&P 500, those who follow me know that in the past I've been giving very clear values, since very clear targets, since we got participation from players during last July low, and those who follow me know that I provided the targets by tracing this extension long, which is a way to model extended market and the participation of program trading in this extended market, and I gave this 1727, 1730 target as the first target of this move. And as you can see, price found participation on the downside, found selling just 25, just a quarter of a point here from this level, 1727, and we got selling, we got program trading taking profits here, but we still have a second target in the 1814, 1813 area here. And again, if we trace the measure move, the traditional measure move we are trading at the moment, we can see that this 1637 long support here is bringing price into that weekly 1814. So I expect in the next 2 to 3 weeks price to hit the 1813 target. So congratulations to those who followed the advice and went long back in June. If we get to 1814, keep following. I'll provide you with the level where we could get additional participation or continuous participation to keep moving this price higher. I will also give the failure level, the level where this wall trend started in 2009 will actually come to an end, at least according to behavior of program trading and behavior observed in how program trading type of price, which is actually what my edge in trading is based upon. And next and last chart is going to be gold future, which you see on the screen is the weekly chart, and it is my belief that we found support and probably saw lows here. However, price is still in this 1408 measured move lower. But if we look a little bit closer here, we had price respecting orders from program trading that were actually left in the market after this first 3 to 4 weeks move higher here. And as we can see, price reacted at the 1264, 1270 level, and we have participation at this level, and this participation is likely to keep pushing price higher. And we can see more clearly this area of support here on the daily chart, and we have to also to acknowledge the fact that there is an opposing measure move here, an opposing programs that when price got into 1340 area started selling this market. So at the moment we have price being supported by program trading at 1264 and price being sold starting from 1342. If we get above 1364, this market is going to move higher, which would suggest actually a dollar that would continue weakening. Next level of resistance in gold will come at 1496, 1500. I hope this video is useful. If you want to get these videos that I publish every now and then, you can go to my website fibstalker.com and subscribe for the free newsletter I send typically every week. In the last few weeks I've been busy with other stuff, but I'm probably going to resume this newsletter in December and definitely at the beginning of next year. Wish you a good evening and a great weekend. Thanks a lot for your attention, and don't forget, go to www.fibstalker.com and you can also go on fxstreet.com, and I recommend you log into Dale Pinkert's LAR. So have a great weekend, guys. Bye now.